Hi friends, welcome to my channel Make It Simple. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you how can you download free designing software Inkscape. So let's go ahead, open your Google and then you can type here inkscape.org and then hit enter. You will reach the page of Inkscape. Written about Inkscape is a professional vector graphics editor for Linux, Windows and Mac. So it's a free and open source. So you can directly click here on download, or you can go to the menu download and click on current version. So I'll go ahead, click on the current version. It will take you to the next page where you will have an option to select from which type of operating system you have, whether it's Linux, Windows, Mac. So I'll just click on Windows as mine is Windows. So here you will have to select which system type you have for your operating system, which is 32-bit or 64-bit. So you can, if you do not know what is the bit that your system type is, you can just open your file explorer and then you'll see on the left side this PC, and right click on it and select properties, where you can see system type, which is 64-bit operating system for my system. So I'll just close it and I'll just select 64-bit. And on the next page I would have an option, it doesn't matter which one you select from these. So in this case I would select compress archive in 7Z format, 64-bit. It will be a compressed download, so you'll have to extract it later. So I'll just click on this one and then it will start getting installed in your system. So it will take a while for it to install, and then after it is installed you can click on the folder, the respective folder where it is installed, extract the files, and it is just like any other software. You just have to find the exe file and install it. Just follow the instruction. So this is how you can install the free open source version of this Inkscape, which is a free designing software. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not liked and subscribed my channel Make It Simple, please do so that you get notification for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.